In this particular episode of Ruby Ramp Up, I'm going to show you how you can install and get set up Ruby on your Windows machine. If you are using Linux operating system, click on the I button to jump into the installation process on Linux. So let's begin with installation process on Windows for now. First of all, you have to open any web browser and search for download Ruby. Click on the very first link from the search result and you will be taken to the official website of Ruby programming language. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you will see on Windows machine, you can use Ruby installer. Click on this link, you will be taken to the download page of Ruby. Then click on the red download button. So it will be taken to the download page of Ruby. And from the left side, you can see Ruby plus DevKit 3.2.41. Click on here. So it will start downloading the Ruby on your local machine. So here you can see download has been started. I have downloaded the file previously here. So I'm canceling this process for now. Once the file is downloaded, double click on the file. So it will ask you for permission, click on the yes, and then you have to I accept the license. You have to accept the license and click on the next. And here from the next, so you have to wait until the installation process is finished. So it could take 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Alright, so the installation process has been succeed. Now click on the finish button. You will be taken to the Ruby Toolkit installer, Ruby installer 2 for Windows. And now remember, we chose the version for Ruby plus DevKit. So DevKit is for development essential. So this particular window is coming for that DevKit installation. Just type 1 and hit enter. So it will install all the development kit needed for your development process using Ruby. So you can see here MS Voice 2 seems to be properly installed. That means it is installed on my computer previously. For your computer, it will run the installation process. So just close this window after installing the dev kit. Now, how we can ensure that Ruby has been installed on our computer properly or not? Just open the CMD from your computer. Just type Ruby space hyphen version. So when you hit enter, if you see Ruby 3.2.4, that means our computer is having the Ruby version of 3.2.4. So now we are ready to start programming in Ruby. In the next subsequent episodes, we will start programming in Ruby. Thank you.